Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a quick unboxing reveal with you guys, as well as my first impressions review on a brand new fashion item. So let's get into the video. So guys, I am super excited to share that I made my very first purchase from the Versace fashion house. Always been a huge fan of Versace. However, their items have always been a little much for my personal style. So I am more of a fan of like their housewares and accessories, their robes. Those types of things for me are more that glam. Like Versace is all about glam and beauty. However, this particular item, when I saw it, I was like, that's it. That's my piece of Versace. So I just got my item, so let's go ahead and reveal it. So it came wrapped in this tissue paper, or gift wrap, that obviously says Versace. It also came with this envelope. Again, it says Versace. It's beautiful. So it has my invoice. I think these are little stickers or like stamps. It came with this little Versace postcard. So let's get into my item. So I picked up the Gianni Versace t-shirts. It's basically Gianni Versace's signature. I think that's so appropriate for my first piece of Versace, for it to be Gianni Versace's signature. I think we all know Gianni Versace is the original designer of Versace until his sister Donatella took over. So I think Gianni Versace t-shirt is perfect with his signature there. And so I just kind of want to give you guys my first impressions of the t-shirt, because I think it's really hard to tell in photos the quality and pricing and all of that. So I just wanted to go over it with you. Signature is embroidered. Really, really beautiful. The really beautiful, really clean the way it's embroidered on the t-shirt. A few features about this t-shirt. The t-shirt is 100% cotton. It was made in Italy. The signature is embroidered onto the shirt. It has just a tiny bit of stretch to it. It's not a very stretchy shirt, but it does have some stretch to it, which makes it very comfortable when wearing. I'm going to show you guys how it looks on me. Hold on. I got it in Italian size 44, which is a US 8. That's actually a size smaller than I wanted to get, because I wanted it to have a little more of a boxy, casual, relaxed look. So I wanted to actually order US 10, but this is a US 8. It still fits me very nicely, I believe, and it has enough length to it where I feel comfortable with styling and keeping it. I don't think I actually needed the larger size. I think this kind of makes it have more of a tailored high-end look anyways. One thing I want to share with you guys is the tag on the inside, which I think is very important to note. When you purchase a Versace item like this, it comes with a barcode that you can scan. And I'm going to scan it and we're going to see what it says. So it says, congratulations, your code has been recognized, and then it actually shows you the item that it's supposed to be. I think is really great way for the consumer or whoever, if you're gifting this, to verify authenticity on their own. I feel like a lot of brands have always kept like it's so secret, like how to authenticate an item yourself at home, handbags and all of that, unless you're very familiar with the brand and you can authenticate it yourself. If it's an item you're purchasing, you know, online, buy something online and from a retailer, and you still want to verify its authenticity, right? So obviously I had no worries about this particular item because I purchased it from Versace directly. However, if I purchased it from another retailer or something like that, of course you want to verify authenticity, especially when you're spending. I feel like them having the option for you to verify authenticity is fantastic. So I have a few designer t-shirts, right? I have Balmain, Isabel Marant, Gucci, Saint Laurent, and I don't believe either fashion house has a way to authenticate at home. Now, I don't have any question about the authenticity of those items because I purchased them, you know, myself as well, but you just never know, especially something simple like a t-shirt. It could be something that's easily replicated. So I think it's really, really fantastic that Versace has that in place for their customers to verify authenticity. I'm very excited about my first piece from Versace. I think this is super my style, right guys? Super casual, also very unassuming. It doesn't just say Versace. It doesn't have any logos, color. If people don't even know Gianni Versace per se, they may not even realize this is a Versace t-shirt because it doesn't say just Versace. It says Gianni Versace and it's his signature. So I really love it. I think it's so me. It's definitely my vibe and very minimal. So I'm definitely going to be styling this up for you guys and showing you how I would wear this. I definitely could see this with like a cool blazer on top, just the t-shirt by itself, maybe, you know, with some nice like trousers. Definitely lots you can do with a basic t-shirt. I think we all know that by now. Like a t-shirt is definitely a fashion essential and it's something that you can style in many ways. That's it. That's my reveal and kind of first impressions review of my very first purchase from Versace. If you're not subscribed to my channel, definitely go ahead and subscribe. I talk about fashion, lifestyle, travel, and sometimes beauty. So if you're into that, please subscribe and join my online community. Also, don't forget to hit that bell so you can turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.